What's up, everybody? It's Chad from the Varsity Dad channel. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. So it's a nice day. I thought I'd jump on here real quick and show you something that I got for Christmas, which is a iKamper Annex tent. And I actually bought it for myself for a camping trip that we took to the Outer Banks. And with COVID, things aren't getting delivered when their estimated delivery dates are and everything. And I understand that. I bought it through REI and it didn't come in time for the camping trip. So anyway, look for that video and this video where I set up the tent and give you my overall thought. Let's get into it. So you guys might have seen in the other video, I have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator and I have a bed rack on the back with an iKamper X cover. And I went with the iKamper X cover because it had amazing reviews. It's a patented, very unique design where it doesn't have its own vinyl cover, but it's just a cover around the sides. It's like a hard top on top, and it has the racks that come with it. And that was a main priority for me. I just gotten 2 new SUP stand-up paddle boards, and I had to be able to transport them. But yeah, this is the X cover, and there's my racks underneath here. These are kind of nice because I can hang things on there and everything stays dry. But I'm really curious what will happen when I put this Annex tent on. This is the iKamper Annex room for the X-Cover rooftop tent. It was $589 with free shipping to my local REI store. If anyone knows if this is the tall or short version, please let me know in the comments. Let's get into it. I think like most men, I hate to look at instructions. There really weren't any with this. There was a small label on the inside of the bag, which I finally refer to here. I know it looks difficult, but it really wasn't. The zipper matched right up, and once I had that in place, I could make sense of what goes where. I would recommend having a little helper. Many hands make light work. So intuitively, I was putting the stakes through the eyelet holes, but I was wrong. They actually go through the loops in the strap. The eyelet holes are for additional posts that can be purchased separately and really expand the doorways into awnings. All right, so this is the iKamper Annex tent, and I've got it pretty much staked out. There's a awning right here. I got 2 additional poles coming, and this piece will come out, and it'll be another doorway. There's lots of windows in this thing. It's kind of like a seamless integration with the roof there because they zip together. This side I kind of ran out of room and I didn't pull this side out, but still you can see inside this thing how much room there is. How cool is that? and then it all just goes right up into the tent. It'd be really cool to put a tarp down here, and we could put a buddy heater in here, heat up the whole tent. I think these, yeah, these get taller. Oh, let me put this down. Oh yeah, these extend out.
I was wondering, it looked like there was some slack.
Oh, that's cool.
Does it make it bigger?
Makes it taller, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I just found out that these poles are adjustable. So, look at that. That's much better. Much more taut. Hey,
Hey,
are you camping in your front yard? It's amazing how just with one anchor point and some stakes and two guidelines, it like has a structure to it
I know.
with no poles. No additional poles. And now I'll show you a time lapse that I made on tearing down the tent. Overall, it took me about an hour to set up. And now that I fully understand the tent, I think I can do it in half that time. But you'll see the teardown was pretty quick. If you stayed with me this long, I just want to thank you. I'm new to video editing and YouTube in general, so if there are things that you like or can't stand about this video, I'd appreciate you just dropping them in the comments so that I can improve. My name's Chad with the Varsity Dad channel. Dads pursuing awesomeness and adventure and family after 40. I look forward to seeing you in our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.